All right, we're going to go over how to make the air skimmer body on Inventor. So the first thing you'll need to do is find this document here in the modules section of Canvas, and that has the dimensions for the air skimmer. That way we'll know what size to make everything. So the first thing we're going to make is this main body right here. Okay, the the way we're going to make this on Inventor is we're actually going to draw it from the side here. So like this will be the front face. This is the side of the skimmer, but it's going to be the front on Inventor. All right, so that you can see this rectangle is going to be 11 inches long. And then we're going from the solid line to the dotted line, which is half an inch, 0.5 inches. So here on Inventor, we're going to make a new part. It's going very slowly. Be patient. Hopefully it works. If you hear weird noises in the background, that's because my 3D printers are running right now, printing projects. So hopefully you'll be able to block that out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start the 2D sketch. Click our XY plane. Like I said, we're going to make a rectangle. And that needs to be 11 inches long and then 0.5 inches tall. Then I'm going to click my home so I can see the whole thing and finish my sketch. So there's the side view of the air skimmer. Now going back here to Canvas, we can see that the entire skimmer is 4 inches, but with the way we're going to do this is we're actually going to just make it 3 inches because this folded part here and this folded part here are going to be we're going to put those in later on when we make, I'll show you how to use the shell feature, and that'll make that happen. So for the extrusion part, we only want to extrude this much, which is going to be 3 inches. So back here to Inventor, we're going to extrude it. Three inches. And there we have the start of the body of our skimmer. Now, if you remember right from our air skimmer, the back fin folds down. And so the way we're going to do that is we're actually going to subtract part of this rectangle to make that fold down. Since we're not actually working with paper, we have to do this a little bit differently than how we built it out of paper. So we go back here to our dimensions, and we can see that this back rectangle is, from here to here, 3 inches. And it folds down. So the way we're going to do this is make a new sketch, and we want to click this face here. And you're going to use the line tool and draw a triangle. So I'm going to click this bottom corner. I'm going to click the top corner. I'm just going to go this way, and this part needs to be the 3 inches. 3, enter. And then from there back to this corner. And finish the sketch. And now you can see this triangle right here. We're going to take that out of our air skimmer body. So we're going to do that by extruding. And we're going to cut it. Click OK. Now you can see we've got a fin that folds down at the back end of our air skimmer. Okay, now we've got to make the this part hollowed out so that it has the edges here as if it was paper folded down, like when we made the actual skimmer. So the way we do that is with a tool called Shell. So you're going to click Shell. We actually want our thickness to be less than this. The thickness of paper is roughly 0.01. It's actually less than that, but we're going to go with 0.01 for our purposes. And then you just click this front face here. And then if you look here, you can see that it's going to make that, it's going to leave the bottom in there, which we don't want. So I'm just going to turn down here and click the bottom face, click OK. And there you have it. There's your air skimmer. Oh, kind of, it's turning the wrong way. There we go. So you can see it's hollowed out. It's about the thickness of paper. It's got the fin in the back. And that is your air skimmer body. So you can go ahead and color that. You can color everything the same color. You can make the sides and the rest of it different colors. But just remember that your air skimmer does have to be colored. I don't care if you make the whole thing the same color at the end, or if you want to make different parts different colors. If you want this to be different colors than the fins or the scoop, then it might be good to color this now.